Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. And in today's video, I'm just going to show you how to make your YouTube channel searchable. So if you've got quite a new channel, chances are that when you're trying to search for it, it's not coming up. It just involves a bit of SEO work. But if you stay tuned, I'll show you a few tips on what you can do to help make your channel rank on YouTube. If you do find this helpful, please leave a like and drop a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So to do this, what we're going to do is open up a brand new internet browser. And the first thing we're going to do is come across to youtube.com. And if I actually go ahead and try and search for my channel, so Digital Tutor, step-by-step tutorials, and you'll see that when I scroll down, I'm actually right there at the top. And you'll see there's a few of my videos underneath as well, which is my latest videos. So to actually optimize your channel, so it comes up at the top of the search, the best way to do this is if you come and click onto your profile icon and then come across to your YouTube studio. There's a couple of things you need to do first of all, just to get the search engine optimization correct. So the first thing you want to do is actually come to the menu on the left hand side, and then you want to go ahead and click onto settings. From here, if you come and click onto channel, and you'll see you've actually got a list of keywords for your actual channel. So if you look, I've got a few keywords which define basically what my channel is about. But the first keyword I've got up here is my actual channel name. So if you actually do this, if you put your channel name as the first keyword, that actually helps you to rank. Another tip I could say is if you come and click onto customization, so if you scroll down the menu on the left hand side and click onto the customization tab, and then if you go to the top of the page and click the basic info option. Now in this description, your channel description, what you want to do is actually make sure that you've got your channel in the first 200 characters. So basically the first sentence, you want to just introduce people to your channel. Like in my example, I've put, for example, welcome to the Digital Tutor Step-by-Step Tutorials YouTube channel. So if you put something along those lines and include your channel name, again, that's going to help it to rank in the search engine. Okay, and another thing I would recommend is if you actually so when you actually upload videos, you've got a section where you can add tags like this. So what you need to do in the tag section on every single video, if you actually put your channel name as well, like this, you can do it with a space, without a space, abbreviated, whatever, but as long as there's some sort of reference to your channel, that's actually going to rank your channel as well. So that's a few tips. If you are quite new, as I say, it does take a month before you know generally you get ranked, because YouTube needs to figure out what your channel is about, where to rank it, and how it relates to keywords. But if you follow those 3 tips that I've just given, that's going to help your channel become searchable in search results. So when people actually search for your channel, it should rank highly on the first page of YouTube. So I hope you found that helpful, and if that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. And if you go ahead and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.